Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I create this look. If you are interested, keep watching. If I look a little tired in this video, it was 2 a.m. when I stopped recording and I got done finishing, so that's why, but enjoy. So I used two bundles. First bundle 16 inches from Yummy Extensions. I'll link it down below. Second is the 14 inch from my hairstylist that I saved. So right here I am starting off with freshly washed hair, nice and clean. So just a heads up, I cannot braid to the scalp. So in the back I did slick my hair down and put it in a mini bun. You want to have a part in your hair, just get it as straight as possible. So right here, just get a rubber band and tie that up to get your hair out the way. You want to start off with 2 caps for extra protection. Just put that cap all the way on. And you'll do the same thing with the second cap. It's only protection from the Got2b glue, so it won't get on your hair. It's definitely optional. So the next thing you want to do is use your Got2b spray, not Gorilla Glue, okay? But anyway, you want to use your Got2b spray and just spray that all over the back of your head, I guess underneath or below the part. You don't want to go above the part, so just in the back of your head. And you want to spray a good amount on there. So right here, you want to use the blow dryer, and please make sure that your hair is all the way dry before you apply the tracks. If not, the tracks will not stick, okay? So next thing is to get a pair of pretty sharp scissors to cut off the cape, or the cap, my bad. So you want to do one at a time. That's my preference, just so I can make sure that it's cut nice and clean. So yeah, it won't let you cut more than where you sprayed. So it should be right where your part is. And when you do spray the spray, try to feel where the part is so that you won't go above that part, because you want everything behind the part, not above. And if you're wondering, my ears are red because I actually sat under the dryer, so my ears were like really red. Okay, so once you're done cutting, you should be able to see your part. That is the goal. Try your best. I'm no stylist, but it turned out pretty okay. Okay, so here comes the fun part now. So everything will be linked down below. So you'll just take your glue and put it on your track. The track is already pre-cut because I've used it before. All you do is just use your hair and measure it. If you need to cut, do what you need to do so that it fits in the back of your head, starting towards the bottom. I could have brought it up a little bit more, but you get the point. So right here, I'm just putting the glue on the track. Not too much, but just a little bit goes a long way. So right here, this part is optional, but I like to go over each track with my blow dryer just to make sure it's nice and secure, and it helps just dry it a lot faster. Okay, so the track doesn't have to be right above the next track. It's totally up to you. It's still going to be full the way I'm doing it. So, you know, just fill in how you want. You can separate, whatever. Don't worry about any gaps because the hair will fall down and cover everything. Okay, so for the last step, for the last track, you want to make sure that it's right underneath where you parted your hair so it can look as natural as possible. I did add another track in between, but yeah, you want it to make look as natural as possible. So this part is optional. I did straighten my hair and then put the Got2b spray on it. You can use whatever you want to slick your hair down, but I did straighten my hair, and that's all I'm doing right here to make it into a slick ponytail. Okay, so right here I'm putting my hair in a ponytail just to kind of mold my hair and set it where I want to set it. So the goal is to lay your hair down as smooth as possible before applying the Got2b spray. I do need a better straightener, but it did work with what I did have. So just try to brush down whatever as much as you can before applying the spray. So you can do section by section with the spray. I did my whole head first, and then I went over it with the blow dryer. So it does get sticky pretty quickly if you're familiar with Got2b spray. So you want to just kind of work fast. I did do 2 layers of the spray. And I also redid my ponytail just to make it a little bit more slick and bring everything together. So right here, you can twist your hair back or you can braid it, whatever you want to do. After you braid it down, put a rubber band at the end of your hair, okay? Right here, I'm using black strips. Again, everything will be linked down below in the description box. Right here, I'm just wrapping down at least 2 wraps around the base of my hair. And then I'm just taking the wrap towards the tail of my hair. So you just want to make sure it's nice and tight. And then you secure it with a rubber band. So this part can get really interesting, so pay attention, okay? So right here, I'm going to try to describe it as you watch. Make sure that the hair is faced towards the back. You want to start underneath your hair with the hair downwards. You're going to pull it over your hair. And there's no glue on my tracks right now. I'm just trying to show you guys how it looks. And all you're doing is just twisting it around your hair. But right now I'm just doing small pieces at a time and just wrapping the hair around my braid little by little. And I'll just let you guys watch what I'm doing. So when you get to the base of your hair, all you're doing is the same thing, but just wrapping it around the base of your hair. Okay, so in order to hide that track, just take a piece of hair from the back of your hair and try to, I guess, comb it out to make it as straight as possible, or you can just flat iron it, whatever. Wrap it around your hair, use Got2b spray, and just keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping until you have no more hair to wrap. You just want to take a small piece until it's completely wrapped so you don't see any track. Okay, next I'm using some edge control for my edges, and that's it, y'all. After we do the edges, we in there, girl. So that is it. I hope you guys like this video. I hope it really helped you step by step. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like this look on me or if you've had this look before, and I'll see you in my next video.